What's up, YouTube? What's happening, man? How's everyone doing? This is Jesus here, bringing you another video. I'm keeping up with what I said. The homeboy that I was telling you guys about, whoa, this road sucks ass. He just got his 600 not too long ago. It's a gxsr 600, and he's been practicing. You know, he's got his full license already. He got geared up, and you know, we're gonna see what's up with him. We're gonna go ride, practice some lane splitting, practice some group riding. Well, not group riding because there's only two of us, but you know, we're gonna ride around Upland most likely. That's the city he used to live in, so he's more familiar with that one. Oh, it's green. What happened, bro? Damn, man. But yeah, we're heading that way. Gonna go out over there to meet him, see what's up. Yeah, his 600 is freaking loud, man. It's I rode it when well, I'm the one that brought it to his pad. It has the Two Brothers exhaust. That thing is loud. Single place. Look at this guy, man. Come on, no one's chasing you, man. Relax. I hope you're going on the freeway so I can leave you behind. Oh, you ran a red. What the fuck's wrong with you? Wow. See? Look, this lady just stayed in traffic. Wow, you're so fast. Oh my god, people, I swear. Oh, there's stunners. Tons of bikes. You're stunners, dude. Not with the group, idiot. Yeah, so I'm guessing they can't go fast because they have some big sprockets plus their setups. Therefore, stunning, you know, but these guys get down on stunts. I know they do. They got the cages, they got everything. Show them off your bike, fucking zorra. Ow! That's the 07 600. In a different color. Mine's like black and blue, that one's blue and white, I guess. A ver, a quick pull. Do a quick pull on it on second gear. Yeah. Dale, zorra. You guys gotta remember, he's new at this, so. Alright, now me a quick pull. Downtown Ontario. Oh, look at all those old school cars, bro. Oh shit. We're driving like it's Texas. No lane split. Keep a bigger distance between these assholes, bro, because if they break, I thought somebody gonna say hello to their kids from the back window. You don't want to do that. This is America. Güey. A ver si hay viejas, güey. We did a mierdota on top of that car, bro. Look at that. Right on the left one. The black one. No, on this one you just need a little more. Well, not really that much momentum. Just dig a little more. What? She's fucking mad. She's gonna flip you off. Yo, that's a horrible pothole in there. Te saludó tu primo, güey. He said. Let's go up to them fucking mountains. No, güey, tú te zampas a la verga in the mountains, bro. Todavía no, güey. Yo, the weather's fucking. These guys got little bridges to go inside their driveway. What? See, that's what I like doing. I like to just fucking go explore. Súbele esa madre. Hey, you're going in the wrong way, pendeja. There's a dip, eh? Brace your ass, dog. Look at that. He's happy. The fucking axle falls. I seen the one of the muscle car, the axle just drops. Dude, the creds, you couldn't even make that turn. These people are probably like, where the fuck did these guys came from? You think they're gonna require a mask? Súbele esa madre. You think they're gonna require a mask? Cause I didn't bring one? No, hell no. Look, nobody's wearing a fucking mask. Go straight. Oh, alright, let's go that way then. Mira, güey. Puta madre, güey. Was this a stop sign? We blew that motherfucker. I thought he flipped me up for a second. What happened?